Hello everybody, Lurks here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll help you easily change an Apple Watch strap. I'll show you how to easily remove the Apple Watch strap and then install a new Apple Watch strap. If you turn your Apple Watch over, you've got this small button at the bottom and the top of the watch. If you push that down, you can just slide the strap across. And I'll just show you that in a bit more detail here. You've got this tiny little release button here on either end. So you're pushing that in gently with your nail, and then as you push it in, slide the watch strap away, and you'll see there where it locks into the button there, and that just helps lock it into place. And that is where the small button on the top of the Apple Watch straps just clicks into position, and that holds the watch strap in place. Now let's fit the new Apple Watch strap. Literally just slide it into the watch and it clips into place with the buttons in the middle. Then do the other end. Once that's secure, those buttons, it cannot go anywhere. Now this will need to be adjusted because it is way too big, and I'll put a link at the end of this video about how to remove some links from this Apple Watch strap. And Daisy is really not interested in what's going on. Time for a brew. In the top right, there's a link to that video where you can remove some links from the Apple stainless steel watch strap. In the top left, how to disable live photos permanently on your iPhone. And in the bottom left, how to send voice memos from your iPhone to your PC or laptop. Little Hand says it's time to rock and roll.